Good morning, students. Yesterday I discussed about relations and we solved some questions based on relations. Let's take some revision. Yesterday I discussed about relation, okay, and we explained that suppose A and B be two sets, any two non-empty set, then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Thus, R is a relation from A to B. It means that if and only if when R is a relation of from A to B, that is R is a subset of A cross B, means every members of R contains in A cross B. So we can say that R is a subset of A cross B. In this way, R is a relation from A to B. Okay. Now we take some other concepts of relation. Total number of relations. Now we discuss about total number of relations. Okay, suppose that let A and B be any two non-empty finite sets consisting m and n elements, m and n elements, okay, respectively. Then you know that A cross B consists mn ordered pairs, na, mn ordered pairs. You know that very well. Suppose that A and B are two sets having m and n elements respectively, okay. Then you know that A cross B, the Cartesian product of these sets consists of mn m into n ordered pairs. So total number of subsets of A cross B, total number of subsets of A cross B is 2 to the power mn. Total number of subsets of A cross B is 2 to the power mn. This is very important results, okay. Since each subset of A cross B is defines a relation from A to B, okay, so total number of relations of from A to B is also 2 to the power mn. Total number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power mn, okay. Yes, let's see once more time. Suppose that A and B are two sets, two non-empty sets having m and n elements respectively. Then you know that very well A cross B consists mn ordered pairs, okay. So total number of subset of A cross B is 2 to the power mn, okay. Since each subset of A cross B defines a relation from A to B, na, each subset of A cross B is defined a relation from A to B. So hence we can say that total number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power mn, okay. Here 2 to the power mn is what? Number of subsets of A cross B, and so total number of relations from A to B is also 2 to the power mn, okay. So hence we can say that thus total number of subsets, sorry, total number of relations, na, total number of relations from A to B is what? to the power mn. This is very important results. Okay. Okay, total number of relations from A to B is 2 to the power mn. Now next topic is representation of a relation. Now we discuss about representation of a relation. Representation of a relation. Suppose a relation from A to B. A to B can be represented in any one of the following. Any one of the following forms. Okay, a relation from A to B can be represented in any one of the following forms. First one, in roster form. First one in roster form. Okay, in this form a relation is represented by the relation R is represented by the set of all ordered pairs belonging to R. In this form, the relation R is represented by set of all ordered pairs belonging to R. Now take an example. Suppose that if R is a relation from set A, which is -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, to set B, which is defined by 0, 1, 4, 9, 10. Okay, by the rule A related to B, that is A square is equal to B. Related to rule A square is equal to B. Okay, then related to rule A related to B, related to rule A square is equal to B. By the rule A square is equal to B. Now let's see. Then 0 related to 0, because of here 0 square is 0 na. Now second one, -2 related to 4, because of here if we put -2 is equal to A, take -2 is equal to -2 square is equal to +4. so minus 2 and 4, so minus 2 related to 4. Okay, now next one, next one, minus 1 related to plus 1, because of if we minus 1 square we get minus plus 1, so minus 1 related to plus 1, and also 1 related to 1 also, because of 1 square is equal to 1 na, so 1 related to 1. Okay, and here plus 2 also, and plus 2 square is equal to plus 4, so plus 2 related to plus 4, 2 related to plus 4. Okay, so R can be described in roster form as, so R can be described in roster form, as R is equal to what, 0 0 comma minus 2 4 minus 1 1, okay, minus 2 4, okay, 1 1, okay, and 2 4. This is the representation of relation R from A to B in roster form. Okay, let's once more time see once more time. Okay, first of all, in roster form, in this form the relation is represented by the set of all ordered pair belonging to relation R. Okay, suppose that if R is a relation from a set A to the set B by the rule A square is equal to B, here each A belongs A and each B belongs B. So in this way we get the following relations, so R can be described in roster form as 0 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 4 1 1 and 2 4. Okay, now in second method of representation of a relation is set builder form. Set builder form. So the another way to represent any relation from A to B in set builder form. Okay, now let's see. In this form, the relation R from set A to set B. Okay, in this form the relation R from set A to set B is represented as R is equal to AB, such that each A belong A, B belong in B, and A and B satisfy the rule which associates A and B, associates A and B. Okay, let's see once more time. In this form means in set builder form, the relation R from set A to set B is represented as R is equal to AB in the form of ordered pair in this section, in this bracket, such that each A belongs A and each B belongs B, and AB satisfy the rule which associates A and B. A and B. Take an example on the next page. Let's see an example. Take example. Suppose that if any set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, any set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and another set B is equal to what? 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 4 1 by 5 1 by 6 and dot so on, okay, and R is a relation from A to B, from A to B, given by R is equal to 1 1 2 1 by 2 3 1 by 3. R is the relation from A to B is given by R is equal to 1 1 2 1 3 1 3 1 by 3, sorry, 1 1 2 1 by 2 3 1 by 3 4 1 by 4 and 5 1 by 5 only. Here the relation R is the subset of A cross B, na? Write that 2 1 by, okay. Now then R in set builder form, can be described as R is equal to AB such that each A belongs A and each B belong B, and B is equal to 1 upon A, and the rule is B is equal to 1 upon A, right now. Here let's see the second element is a reciprocal to first. Second element, that is B, ordered pair in B, is reciprocal to first. So R in set builder form can be described as R is equal to AB such that each A belongs A, each B belongs B, and the relation which is associates to A and B is B is equal to 1 upon A. B is equal to 1 upon A in this way. Okay. One important thing is here that it should be noted that it is not possible. Please note that it is not possible to express every relations to express every relation from set A to set B, from set A to set B in the set builder form, in the set builder form. For example, suppose that the relation R, any relation R is 1A, 1C and 3B from set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and another set B is equal to A B C. Okay, cannot be this relation cannot be defined in set builder form. Okay, this relation cannot be described in set builder form. Okay, so that point remember always. Okay, it is not possible to express every relation from set A to set B in the set builder form. Take an example, any relation, all the relation, you know that all the relation is a subset of A cross B. ठीक है, and here the relation are 1A, 1C, 1B, 3B from the set A, from the set B. This relation cannot be described in the set builder form. Okay, so that one maybe remember. Okay, now the another method to representation of a relation is by arrow diagram. Third method to representation a relation from set A to set B by arrow diagram. Okay, in order to represent a relation from A to B by an arrow diagram, we draw arrow from first component to the second components of all ordered pairs belonging to R. Okay, in order to represent a relation from set A to set B by an arrow diagram, we draw arrow from first components to the second components, that is from A to B, from first component to the second components of all ordered pairs belonging to R. Suppose they take an example. Suppose any relation R is given by any relation R 1 2 2 4 3 2 1 3 3 4 from set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 to set B is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, here any relation R, okay, from set A to set B, ठीक है, can be represented by following arrow diagram. Let's take here we form set A, set B. First of all, we write all the that is the first components of the each order pair, that is write all the elements of A, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in this circle we write all the elements of B. Okay, which are 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now recently I discussed you, in order to represent a relation from set A to set B. Okay, from set A to set B, an arrow diagram. First of all, we draw arrow from first components to the second components of all ordered pairs belonging to R. All ordered pairs belonging to R. So first of all, we observe the order relations. Each ordered pair belonging to R, that is 1 2. So we draw a arrow diagram from 1 to 2, 1 2 related to R. Okay, now 1 3 is also belonging to R, 1 3. Now next one 2 4. 2 is 2 4 is belonging to R, so we represent 2 4 2 4. Okay, now second one, third relations 3 2 3 2. Okay, so we write in this way 3 2. Okay, 3 2. Now next one 1 3 1 3. So we draw an arrow from this way 1 3. Now 3 4 also related to R, so we draw 3 4 3 4, which is related to R. Okay, in this way we represent any relation from set A to set B by an arrow diagram. Okay, these are the important method to represent a relation from a set A to set B. Okay, by arrow diagram. Now we discuss one more time. In order to represent a relation from set A to set B by an arrow diagram, first of all we draw arrows from first components to the second components of all ordered pairs belonging to R. All ordered pairs belonging to R. Here we observe that given a relation from set A to set B, and all the ordered pairs of R is 1 2 2 4 3 2 1 3 3 4. Okay, for that first of all we draw set A in the form of diagram and set B, and write all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. Now we observe the relations, so we draw arrow from first component to the second components of all the ordered pair belonging to R. So we draw first arrow from 1 to A to B. In such a way each ordered pair is belonging to R. So 1 2 2 4 3 2 1 3 and 3 4. In this way represents any relations by arrow diagram. Okay, now dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on representation of a relation in the form of roster form, set builder form, and by arrow diagram. In next class we discuss about domain and range of a relation. Okay, thank you.